How to get 30% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box. Type in Frontier Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once we're in the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. Just scroll and check out the offers. 75% off, 20% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Now I can check whether the code is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on redeem at Frontier Airlines. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can log into your account, book your flight, and then check out. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. The process to use any of the offers is exact same. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out another website. This one, Simply Codes. As in this website as well, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Frontier Airlines. This is how you can easily get 30% off Frontier Airlines coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.